In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cold call in Smartlead. Before you start dialing prospects, the quickest way to get set up properly is to book a short onboarding call with the Smartlead team. I'll walk you through exactly how to schedule that call so you can align your goals, confirm account readiness, and hit the ground running. First, head to the Smartlead Get Started page. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Use your usual account credentials. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and select Book a Call. This opens Smartlead's scheduling flow where you can choose a time that works best for you. On the calendar, pick a date and time. Make sure the time zone shown matches yours, and if you collaborate with teammates, choose a slot when key people can join. Use the arrows to move between weeks and hover over times to see all available options. When you've found a good fit, click it and then select Next to continue. You'll now see a short form to help the team prepare for your session. Start by entering your name. Use the name you prefer to be addressed by on the call. Next, add your email address. Double check it for typos. This is where your confirmation, calendar invite, and any follow-up resources will be sent. You'll be asked to choose your company type. Pick the option that best describes your organization so the guidance you receive matches your use case. Then indicate your target cold email volume. Even if you're focused on calling, this helps Smartlead gauge your overall outreach scale and recommend the right setup for deliverability and sequencing. Add your company website so the team has quick context on your product or service. If you don't have a site, you can use a main landing page or profile that accurately represents your business. Only provide the information the form requests. No passwords or sensitive data are needed. When everything looks correct, click Schedule Event. You should see an on-screen confirmation and an email will land in your inbox with the invite and a link to reschedule if needed. Add it to your calendar so you don't miss it. That's it. You've secured your Smartlead call. Before the meeting, it can help to jot down your goals, your target audience, and a sample cold calling flow you'd like to implement. Come prepared with questions about dialing options, sequences, and best practices. Be ready at the time you selected. Keep an eye on your inbox for the invite, and you'll be set to launch your cold calling workflow with confidence.